And elsewhere, Matatu Welfare Association has partnered with Digital Pipeline Africa and the Ministry of Health in efforts to educate Matatu operators on how to handle COVID-19 cases. Meanwhile, the Kenya Red Cross Society is working with Ecobank Kenya to raise awareness of non-communicable diseases and sensitize Kenyans on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. These and more stories in news-making headlines in the counties.
The partnership between the Matatu Welfare Association, Digital Pipeline Africa and the Ministry of Health is geared towards training Matatu operators on how to handle passengers who might manifest symptoms of the novel coronavirus. Matatu Welfare Association Chairperson Dixon Bugwa says one of the strategies will be contact tracing using a USSD code that passengers will key in when traveling.
I think this training or the campaign which is going to take at least 3 months, on a pilot kind of basis. And we have intentionally picked Machakos County with the Matatu circles that operate between Machakos and Nairobi, purposely so that at least we are able now to execute the change of the attitude and behavior. That is sensitization and awareness, and also apply the contact tracing digital process.
Meanwhile, Kenya Red Cross has partnered with Ecobank Kenya to raise awareness of non-communicable diseases and sensitize Kenyans on how to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Kenya Red Cross Deputy Secretary General Annette Msabeni says the move follows the significant increase of lifestyle diseases across sub-Saharan Africa over the past 20 years, largely driven by reduced physical activity, unhealthy diets and poor living standards.
This is the second year we've been running this campaign together, and it has had far-reaching effects. Last year, we did campaigns first and foremost countrywide, because on social media, on media, we were able to reach the whole country, giving people messages about diabetes and about NCDs, the need to prevent, the need to go for screening, and also the need to live healthy lifestyles that enable people to avoid getting NCDs, or even for those who have NCDs, on how to manage.
Elsewhere, government spokesperson Colonel retired Cyrus Oguna has urged youth to make use of government opportunities to empower themselves economically. Oguna, who spoke in Busia, noted that the government has created a lot of opportunities for the youth, adding that Kazi Mtaani is just but a starting point for the young citizens to open up and utilize their skills.
Vijana wawe ni watu ambao sio kuajiriwa tu, lakini wanaweza kuwa pia nini? Mwajiri. Ili uweze kutengeneza pesa yako, ili uweze kuwa mwajiri ya vijana wengine. Kwa hivyo tunaomba tu, ile miradi hiyo tumeongea ni kukusaidia wewe uweze kuwa mwajiri, wala sio mwajiriwa.
And in Kiambu, residents of Tigoni in Limuru constituency are calling on the county government to put up a fence around Tigoni Dam, which they claim has claimed many lives. This is after the latest incident where a 34-year-old man allegedly committed suicide by drowning in the dam.
Hii damu ya hapa tungeomba ya kwamba kama ingewekwa chain link iweze kuzunguka hii damu ili angalau tupunguze visa hivi, kwa sababu visa hivi vimekuwa ni too much.
Ningeomba kaunti yetu, county government itutengeneze, kwa sababu kila wiki tunakujaga hapa kutoa watu. Kila wiki tunakaa hapa tunasikia gari zimeanguka, zimeua watu.
Elsewhere in Garissa, concerns are being raised over the rising cases of drug abuse among school-going children during this COVID-19 pandemic. Garissa Deputy County Commissioner Bernard Ole Kipuri says they are engaging the National Authority for the Campaign Against Drug Abuse NACADA to map out areas that are mostly affected.
Ningependa kuomba tuendelee kushirikiana kwa maneno ya security, mtupatie information, na nimefurahi sana kusikia mtu ameongea kuhusu wazazi kuangalia watoto wao ili wasiweze kuingia katika hizi vikundi ambazo zinasumbua kama AS.
Finally, residents of Migori County have raised concerns over poor sanitation and unavailability of clean water. A spot check in various town centers within the county revealed heaps of uncollected garbage along roads and markets. County Chief Officer in charge of Environment Joshua Ngwala said they have put in place measures to ensure garbage is collected before Monday.
As a county government, we strongly discourage anybody from using paper bags, and we are working with NEMA, the local NEMA office, to ensure that that ban takes effect.